welcome back to Guide with Samuel. If you accidentally deleted a Zap in Zapier, there's a quick way to bring it back. Let me walk you through the steps. First, log into your Zapier account and go to your dashboard. Next, click on the Zaps tab from your left-hand menu. Now, look for the trash section. This is where recently deleted Zaps are stored. Find the Zap you want to recover, then click the three-dot menu next to it. From the drop-down, select Restore. Zapier will move the Zap back to your main list and it will be ready to be used again. Keep in mind, deleted Zaps can only be restored within 30 days. After that, they are permanently removed. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.